Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Taylor Swift's Actually Romantic. That's the title track of 7 from her new album. That cool album where she just plays guitar and is very Taylorish, in my opinion. So I love this album, and this is track number 7 with her Showgirl album. Anyway, let's go into this one, and just want to thank you for being here. It's like Taylor says in this song, it's actually sweet all the time you spent on me. What a great line, and I fully agree. Now let's go into the tutorial. We have the capo set on the 2nd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have 5 easy chords with that, so let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with D now, so it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is the B minor, which is a bar chord, and you place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings, all strings except from the last E string in the bass. You don't need that one, but then you need to also add 4th fret D string, 4th G, and 3rd B. That's the B minor. We're gonna move on with this F sharp, and it's still a bar chord and still on 2nd fret, this time all strings. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Then we have the G chord, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the A for the bridge part later on, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Now we have 2 ways of handling these chords. You saw that in the introduction of the tutorial. I played both of these versions for you. So if you grab a chord like the F sharp, let's take that one, and you have first the version that goes down, down, and then you kind of have a 3rd down with a muting, okay? So it goes like this. Okay, so that muted thing is to play after the first 2 downs, so 2 downs first, and then comes this, just a slap on the strings, but I release the tension from the grip here, so that will kill the sound, and you just kind of hear that, okay, sound from the strings that are dead, okay? So that is a total of 3 downs, but with the muted last down, so. And you have that with B minor as well. But for G and D, you don't have any bars. You can release everything. So in that way, you could go like just release the tension from the fingers, or lean this little pinky in front of the chord and kill the sound with that. In different ways, you will have to kill the sound. And the same goes with G. You can also and lean the hand on top of the strings, your strumming hand. Different ways to mute the sound. That is version number 1. The second one is to play just a clap instead. So down, down, clap, like D. So down, down, clap, B minor, clap. Like this, all right? So, different ways to handle it. Now, we have one main chord progression, and I just played it for you. You have D, 1 string around, B minor 1, F sharp 1, and G 1. And that is rolling almost through the entire song. So 95% of this song is that D, B minor, F sharp, and G. But then we have the bridge part at 1 minute and 42 seconds in. And this is where we need to use the A. And the strumming changes here as well. So that is where the lyric starts. You think I'm tacky, baby. You're going to play 4 downs as 1 string around, so like that. So A, you're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1 string around. And on the 3rd down, I like to play on the higher strings, but all other downs I play on the bass strings. In that way, emphasizing the 3rd down where the rhythm goes. Okay, so you're gonna play A, 2 string rounds of that. And then you go to G and play 2. And you go back and forth for 3 rounds. So A2, G2, A2, G2, A2, G2. And then after that G2 in the 3rd round, you're going to go to the F sharp and play 2. and that's it. So you're gonna play A, G, again. Now the third and last round, G, and F sharp, and the pause. And then you go back to that main D, B minor, F sharp, and G, and play that main part till the very end, guys. And that's it. Taylor Swift's Actually Romantic. Doesn't have to be harder to write a kind of a world hits like Taylor always does. So if you like this, guys, please support me here. Give me a thumb up, subscribe, comment, be back. Hope to see you soon. Play tune.